Hello dear students, very good morning. We are learning the chapter Get to Know Plants, right? So in the previous class, you have studied about what are the different types of plant based on their size, right? That is herbs, shrubs and trees. Now we'll learn about parts of a plant and we are also learning about root system. A plant has two important systems. One is root system and the shoot system. So these roots are always underground, means so they are always present inside the soil. And next is shoot system. Shoot, it is a aerial part of the plant, and the shoot contains buds, fruits, stems, leaves and flowers. These are all the different parts of the plant. Mainly plants are divided into two types. One is root system and the shoot system. This is a root system, and from here to here this is a shoot system. So this shoot system, it is above the ground. It will be present above the ground, and the root system will be below the ground. So the shoot system consists of the stem. So this is called as stem. This is stem and these are the leaves. And here you can see some small buds. Okay, these are all some small buds, and these plants will also bear flowers and fruits. And the root system consists of a main root. Okay, this is the main root, and this main root is branched. You can see this is the main branch, and it gives us to many branches, small branches. Okay, we are going to study about these roots. Okay, root system. So the roots, the underground part of the plant, it will be present in the underground, right? The underground part of the plant is called as root. So there are of two types of roots. One is taproot and other one is fibrous root. This is tap roots and this is fibrous root. Okay, coming to this coming to this, in some plants there is a main root. I told, so see here, this is main root. So main root gives rise to many branches, right? So this is called as tap root, and the branches of these branch roots are called as lateral roots. ಇದನ್ನ main root ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, and the roots which are arising from the main root, these are called as lateral roots. So this is a taproot system. So examples you can give: hibiscus, neem, mustard. These are all some of the some plants that have a tap roots. So here next one is fibrous roots. I have taken ragi plant. Okay, so here you can see, here there will be no main root. Okay, all the roots are arised like a tuft. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ so which have arisen at a one place. But if you check, so here there is a main root, and from the main root, so all the small branches have been arised. Now we'll learn about this fibrous root system. So some plants do not have a main root. Here you won't find any main root. Okay, there is a cluster of root or a tuft, adre ಒಂದು bunch ತರ ಇರುವಂತಹ roots ಇದೆ. Okay, so which are arising from the base of the stem. This is the stem and this is the base of the stem. So from here, so all the branches are arising. So there will be all the roots are arising. So if you take also, you won't find any much branches in this, right? So such kind of roots are called as fibrous roots. So example for these are maize, wheat, grass, ragi. So these are the plants that have a fibrous roots. Here also you can see now you can clearly observe. So this is a taproot and the fibrous root. It has a main root, and here there will be no main stem. So main root. This is taproot and the fibrous root. Okay, what are the functions of these roots? So roots, the functions of roots are So roots will absorb, since they are present inside the soil, these roots will absorb the water and the minerals from the soil through the tiny hair-like structures present on them. So you'll ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು small hair-like structures ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So these are called as root hairs. This will absorb the water and minerals and it will give it to the plant. They will transport them to the from stems and to the leaves. So the next, the plant roots. The plant root system anchors and anchors the plant body to the soil and it provides the physical support to the root system. So since these roots are attached to the soil, it gives the physical support to the plant. What happens if the soil is not there? Means soil ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ soil ಜೊತೆ combined ಆಗಿ, I mean, so with the help of the soil, it is tightly present and it gives the physical support to the shoot system. And these roots also hold the soil particles firmly to prevent the soil erosion. So if you grow many plants, so this since these roots are gone very downwards, so this help in the prevention of the soil erosion. So the food formed in the leaves, it is used by the plant to perform its own important functions. So the rest of the food is transported through the stems of the different parts of the plant, including stem, root and fruit. Okay, thus some roots are modified to store the food. Okay, some of the roots will be modified. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿ, okay, so it will include stem, root or fruit. Thus some roots are modified to store the food. So best example you can give carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip. These are all modified roots because so we will eat carrot and radish. No, that is the root part of the plant. It because why we eat means so it stores the food. So now we will study about some of the modifications of roots. Modification of roots. Okay, so roots of some plants are also modified to perform different functions. Let us study about different root modification. So first one is for storage of food. Okay, how the roots are modified for storage of a food. Best example we can give carrot, radish, turnip plants. So these roots stores the food and become fleshy. Alva tumba fresh ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, and this is the root part because this will grow under the ground. Okay, so this will store the food. Next one is for extra support. So these are called as prop roots. Okay, yalad mara ella nodirtira alva, people tree. So from there you might have seen these kind of hanging roots, right? So these are roots. These prop roots are the roots that arise on the branches. Okay, this is an exceptional case. This will not be present under the ground. E roots, prop roots, which will be arising from the ground. It will be arising from the branches and it will grow downward and they will give extra support to the plant. So example is banyan trees and these have a prop roots. Banyan tree is the example. Next is climbing roots. So roots of some plants such as money plant, beetle and the black pepper. So these are modified into climbing roots. So ಮೆಣಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಎಲೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು and money plant. So these are all these are called as, these have a climbing roots. These roots help the plants to climb up as a support. Here you can see ನೋಡಿ ಇದೊಂದು main stem ಬೇರೆ plant ಇದೆ. So to that the roots are attached, right? So it helps in the climbing of a plant and it gives the support. Next, for nutrition. So roots of some plants such as dodder are modified to get nutrition from the other plants. So these are called as parasitic roots. Means so these plant roots, plants roots irutalva, which will go and anchor to the other plant stems. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ ದ which is harmful to the another main plant. Okay, roots of some plants such as dodder are modified to get a nutrition from the other plant. So these are called as parasitic roots. So these are the some of the roots which are modified for the different functions. For example, for storage of food, for extra support, for climbing, and for nutrition. So these are all modified. Okay, this is about the roots. So students, what we have learned now? So parts of the plant, right? Root system and the shoot system. And you know about coming to this root system. In the root system, we have learnt about two parts. One is taproot system and the fibrous root system. And we have also learnt about what are the functions of the roots and what are the modifications of roots we have learnt till now. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.